U.S. retailers push back against tariffs. I believe it is good news that retailers are not pushing back against the U.S., but against countries where they buy products from. Companies like Home Depot, Walmart, and Target are actually pushing back against production coming out of China. If a tariff is 10%, the companies are pushing for the country to pick up the total cost. And when tariffs jump to 20%, they're getting pushback on reducing costs by that amount, but still having China producers pick up at least half. So that's a good thing. The companies are also looking at their profit margins, and what they are doing is not increasing prices across the board, but perhaps raising prices on other items that are in higher demand, and then only raising the price slightly on products that have less demand. The companies are also absorbing some of the costs themselves as opposed to passing the entire cost on to the consumer. In the end, the producer, the company, and the consumer will all likely absorb part of these tariffs, and there may not be that much of an increase in price for many of these products. Unfortunately, I am sure that the regular media will find some products that went up dramatically and only discuss those, not the ones, of course, that had minimal impact. The big companies are also pushing for alternative places to produce products if China will not negotiate any reduction at all. Some companies are even looking at producing the products here in the United States, which would be a win all the way around. And I believe it would be the best thing for the United States in the long term. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.